నీవెన్నెలా నిత్యం నాపై ఉండాలిలా.
Stage of pregnancy, fertilization occurs, zygote forms and implants the uterus, formation of placenta and umbilical cord begins, hard and primitive circulatory systems start developing, size is about the size of poppy seed.
This is the second month of pregnancy. It is also called as blastula. Major organs and body system starts forming like heart, lungs, brain and digestive tract. Limb buds develops in the arms and legs. Eyes, ears and mouth begin to form. Heartbeat can be detected with the ultrasound. The size of the baby is about the size of the kidney bean.
This is the third month of embryonic development, and the fetus develop distinct facial features including limbs, organs, bones, and muscles. Organs like liver and kidney starts processing and functioning. The fetus are fused together, and the fetus makes small movements which are spontaneous. And size of the fetus is 7 to 8 centimeters, and of the fetus is approximately 28 grams.
It is a fourth month of pregnancy, and in this stage of pregnancy the joints and the joining of bone may start and muscle will also join together, and the fetus starts sucking its thumb, and we can clearly observe that the facial expressions, and in this stage we can identify the gender of the fetus, whether it is male or female, and its weight will be approximately 100 grams, and its size will be 13 to 14 centimeters approximately.
This is fifth month of pregnancy. Mother may feel fetal movements, appearance, hair, eyebrows and eyelashes forms, vernix, protecting cover, coating, outer of the skin, hearing develops, fetus responds to sounds, size, height about 25 centimeters, fetus weighs approximately 300 grams.
This is the sixth stage of pregnancy. In this stage, skin appears reddish and wrinkled and fat starts depositing. Lungs develop but are not fully functional. Eyes begin to open. Fetus can respond to external stimuli. Size is about 30 centimeters and weighs approximately 600 grams. So this is the seventh stage of pregnancy. In this stage, rapid brain and body growth continues. Lungs mature and breathing movement starts. Fetus can open and close eyes, and the size is about 36 centimeters and weighs approximately 1.6 kilograms.
This is the 8th month of pregnancy, and in this month the fetus gains overweight, and due to this overweight, fat accumulates all over the body of the fetus, and the skin of the fetus becomes more brighter and smoother than the initial state. The size of the fetus is approximately 42 centimeters, and weight of the fetus is approximately 2 kilograms. And in this period, the 99% of the babies born in this period are alive without any diseases. They are healthy, but 1% of the babies which are born in this period are suffering from chronic diseases due to the condition called pre-eclampsia.
It is the last month of pregnancy. It is also called as fetal stage. In this stage, final growth and lung development complete. Fetus grows in the head of fetus and birth. Weight increases, reflexes like sucking and grasping are more. Full-term baby is ready for birth. The height of the baby is about 48 centimeters to 53 centimeters, and the weight of the baby is approximately 2.8 kg to 4 kg.
This is the parturition. Parturition is the process of child birth. This involves the explosion of the fully developed fetus from the mother uterus after the completion of the gestation period, which is approximately 280 days. These key features of these stages are initiation of labor. Initiation of labor is triggered by the hormonal signals, mainly rising oxytocin from the urohypophysis, which is also known as posterior pituitary. Estrogen levels increase, making the uterine contractions sensitive to oxytocin. Next one, the cervix dilates up to the 10 centimeters. Amniotic sacs or water breaks uterine contractions become frequent and stronger. Next, actual delivery of the baby through the birth canal, which is also known as vagina. Strong uterine contractions push the baby out from the uterus. After this baby born, the placenta detaches and expelled. So the placenta which produces placenta which nourishes the baby. This is the female reproductive system. This is the vagina, and this is the ovary. This is the fallopian tube. This is ovary. The egg is located at the cortex of the ovary in a part of the menstrual cycle. One egg is released in a month. So this egg is released and the egg is fuses with the sperm and then forms zygote, which is two-celled condition. After that, the rapid mitosis occurs, which turns into four-celled condition. This four-celled condition again going into mitosis and converts into 32-celled condition, which is also called as blastocystem. Blastocystem moves like this and implants at the full child development occurs here. From the implantation to the paturation, everything development occurs here.